Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to perform the master reset of the entire system. So if you would like to perform the factory reset of the MG infotainment system, let's follow my steps. At the very beginning, let's swipe to the left until you see the settings icon. Let me tap it. From the list of settings from the left tab, you need to scroll down and select here System. Under the System, let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here Restore Factory Settings. As you can see here with information, please make sure that vehicle is started and parked. Do not actively restart the head unit while restoring, otherwise the data cannot be recovered. And if you would like to continue, let's tap continue. You have to be also aware that it will erase all your settings, customization. So if you would like to do this, let's tap continue. As you can see, the screen is black right now. Let's wait until it will be done. And it's done. As you can see now, you need to choose your preferred language. In my case, it's English. Tap next. Let's select the time zone. In my case, it's this one. Let me agree to the privacy notes. Let me choose here global data switch. You can decide either you would like to do this or no. Tap next. Let me perform the activation. Skip. And as you can see now, you are back in your main screen, so you can use it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.